The national flag. The national flag was designed by Mr. Taiwo Akinkunmi in 1958. It is made up of two colors, the white and the green. The white part stands for peace and unity, while the green represents our rich agriculture. It is placed in important public places like school as a sign of patriotism. Now, the Nigerian coat of arms. It is also an emblem of national unity. It has a black shield representing the good soil of the country and an eagle which represents strength, while the two white horses represent dignity and the pride of the country. The River Niger and River Benue, which flows through part of the nation, are represented by the white symbol marked on the shield. The flower represents the beauty of the nation. The motto of the country, unity and faith, is written in the coat of arms. The currency. The currency is a legal tender, the means of transaction peculiar to the country. And this is in unit of naira and kobo, with the lowest denomination being 5 kobo, while the highest one 1,000 naira. And these currencies are universally accepted as a means of exchange in the country. Now, the national anthem and the national pledge. The pledge. The pledge is a solemn promise made by the citizens of Nigeria that they would be loyal to their country. The Nigerian pledge is said thus: I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold our honor and glory. So help me God. Amen. And the national anthem. The national anthem was adopted in 1978 and replaced the previous anthem, Nigeria We Hail Thee. The lyrics are a combination of words and phrases taken from 5 of the best entries in the national contest. The words were put to music by the Nigerian Police Band under the directorship of Benedict E. Odiase. The national anthem goes thus: Arise, O compatriots, Nigerians call obey, to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain, to serve with heart and might, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. O God of creation, direct our noble cause, guide our leaders right, help our youth and truth to know, in love and honesty to grow, and living just and truth. Great lofty heights attain, to build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. And we also have the old national anthem, which goes thus: Nigeria we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongues we differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians all am proud to serve our country, our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign in peace. All battle, honor, and this we count as gain to pass on to our children. A banner without stain, O God of all creation, grant this our one request, help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty Nigeria may be blessed. Now, the Nigerian passport. The Nigerian passport is a document issued by the federal government to citizens who wish to travel to other countries as a means of identity for such individual. Other means of the Nigerian passport are the constitution, the map of Nigeria, the unity lamp, the national identity card, and so on.